Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. I'm Mayank Somani and this video is for everyone who is going to give their board examination, especially class 10th, alright? So many of you are still not serious about it and I totally get it. मैं तुमको नहीं बोलूँगा कि भाई 4 घंटे अभी से पढ़ना चालू कर दे नो. But still that feeling of getting serious, board exams है and all of that does not come from just the pressure of board exam. And I'm going to explain why you should be studying. मतलब मैं देखो रीजंस दूंगा पढ़ने के लिए, उसके बाद देखो पढ़ना है नहीं पढ़ना है दैट्स अप टू यू. आई विल गिव यू रीजंस टू स्टडी. आई विल गिव यू टेक्निक्स टू मेक श्योर दैट यू आर कंसिस्टेंट. इट्स जुलाई राइट नाउ and this is the month you start getting a bit serious, and if you don't very sure that you're not going to ace your board examinations, alright. लास्ट 3 महीने बहुत जम के पढ़ना पड़ता है, yes, बट ये सब जो महीने हैं you have to build up your concepts, be it class 10, be it class 12, be it any exams, alright, which are going to be conducted in March or anything. अगर तुम अभी से अपना कॉन्सेप्ट्स बिल्ड नहीं कर रहे हो, देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ बिट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. एंड में जाके तुम कितना भी पढ़ो, यू वोंट गेट दैट सेटिस्फैक्शन एंड यू वोंट गिव योर 100%. ऑलराइट, सो अभी से व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्टडीइंग यू आर गोइंग टू गेट गुड कंसेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी एंड देन बाद में जाके तुम पढ़ो. अभी बस पढ़ना चालू करो. ऑलराइट, नाउ कमिंग टू माय स्टोरी. ठीक है, मैंने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में 96.8% या 96.4% स्कोर किए थे. ऑलराइट, व्हेन आई केम टू अगस्त, ऑलराइट, प्री बोर्ड्स था सितंबर में, तो अगस्त में मैं थोड़ा पढ़ना स्टार्ट किया. बट नवंबर आते आते आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग. ठीक है, नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी, ये 3 महीने मैंने जम के पढ़ाई की थी, एंड ऑब्वियसली बिफोर द बोर्ड्स. एंड इफ़ यू फीलिंग दैट उस एंड में जाके तुमको करना है, इट्स फाइन, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन सिंपल थिंग. मैं उस टाइम स्कोर कर पाया, इट वॉज नॉट बिकॉज मैंने लास्ट में एकदम जान लगा दी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट वॉज बिकॉज मेरे कॉन्सेप्ट्स जुलाई अगस्त से थोड़े क्लियर होना स्टार्ट हो गए थे. तुम पढ़ोगे लास्ट में, बट देन लास्ट में तुम उतना नहीं पढ़ पाओगे जितना तुमको एक्सपेक्टेड है. स्कूल्स रहेगा, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स रहेगा. मैं जनवरी में आई वॉज लीडिंग द ट्रूप्स एंड आई वॉज गोइंग देयर 6 hours a day practicing for that 10 to 15 days before the parade started, and we won there as well. So it's not like I totally got into that phase. And you know what, मेरा मोटिवेशन पढ़ाई का क्या बना था? It was for my ego. मैं पढ़ रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ माई ईगो. आई वॉज वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन स्टडिंग, मेरे को पढ़ के मज़ा आता था. बट टू स्कोर दैट परसेंटेज आई वॉन्टेड ईगो. ऑलराइट, आई वॉन्टेड टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ एंड यू शुड बी डूइंग दैट. आई टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, तेरा क्लास 10th है, ठीक है, इट्स योर फर्स्ट एग्जाम जहाँ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट रिकग्निशन फॉर समथिंग. बाद में यू गेट इन टू अ गुड कॉलेज, एवरीथिंग. येस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट अकेडमिक एग्जाम ऑफ योर लाइफ जिसमें इट्स गोइंग टू हैपन ऑल ओवर इंडिया. And this is the first time you're going to get recognized for your academics this much. And you know how much it matters. Now many of you will argue कि board exam से कुछ नहीं होता, class 10, class 12 बाहर में जाए ना, कॉलेज में लेते भी नहीं है बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, राइट. नाउ बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. ऑलराइट, तुम इंडिया में हो, ठीक है, सोसाइटी हियर जजेस यू बाय योर मार्क्स, बाय व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इन लाइफ. एज अ टीनेजर you don't have much credibility. If you're doing something else than studying academics के अलावा तुम extra curriculars करो, I was doing that. I was the captain of my house. I was leading parades. I was taking part in every sport. But then the moment I scored 96.8, my family was proud. Society was proud. मेरे समाज में मेरे को felicitate किया था, and that got me a lot of recognition. And when I came to Siliguri, alright, so I'm in Siliguri right now, 11 के लिए I left my hometown, I came here. You know what was the common question asked? How much did you get in board examinations? See, your extracurriculars will get you somewhere. Your academics will also help you there. Okay? And trust me, तुम अगर तुम्हारे 10th एग्जाम में अपना 100% देके तुमको तुम्हारा पोटेंशियल पता नहीं चलेगा ना, तुम्हारा अकेडमिक कॉन्फिडेंस ना कम होगा. तुमने जीवन में कभी ट्राई नहीं किया होगा. मोस्ट ऑफ यू हैव नॉट ट्राइड फॉर एनीथिंग दिस हार्ड अंटिल योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस. एंड अगर तुम बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस में भी स्लैक ऑफ कर रहे हो बडी, यू डोंट इवन नो योर पोटेंशियल, यू डोंट इवन नो व्हाट यू आर केपेबल ऑफ. इट्स जस्ट अ टेस्ट ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन डू. You can do this in any field. If you want to start up, do it, dude. But give your 100%. If you are doing something else, it's fine. You're focusing on something else. तुम कोई extra curricular कर रहे हो, तुम sports में बहुत अच्छे हो, very good. Expand on that. But if you're telling me you're just sitting there, you're not pushing on any of the fronts of your life, but you're doomed as a teenager. This matrix concept जो है ना, Trust me, Matrix के जो top में they also compete. And right now you are in a competition. Don't feel like this is a rat race. And if you feel like that, good, beat the rats. Come to the top level. Whatever you do, come to 1, 2, 3. Come to ranks 1, 2, 3. And the moment you start doing that, the moment you start winning in life, people are going to appreciate you regardless. And you know, this board exam is not just for testing your knowledge, it's to test and unlock your potential, your academic potential, your grit in doing something. And बहुत जन को पढ़ने का मन नहीं होता है, बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू इवन क्रैक अ गुड एग्जाम, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मेरे परसेंटेज उतने हाई नहीं है, बट इन द लास्ट 3-4 months वट एवर आई कुड, मैं एकदम जान लगा दिया था. ठीक है, not totally, I would say I went my 95%, 97%, but those were the moments where I realized कि okay, I have potential. That got me so much confidence in life, and that got me so much credibility in life. And अगर वो नहीं होता, I might not have been this confident. होता मैं confident, I would have been the same, but not this confident. Alright, you're understanding ना? एक चीज़ होती है जब तुम खुद का ईगो सेटिस्फाई करके खुद के पोटेंशियल तक पहुंचते हो, and then people also appreciate you for it. There's friends, family, society, everyone gives a shit about it. And what do you think you're going to do alone in life? You're going to do nothing. If society does not recognize you, if you don't have any credibility at all, nobody gives a fuck about you. So whenever you're a teenager, think about whatever you can do to get credibility. I wanted to ace my exams. Why? Because it gave me credibility. It connected me with people. It put me forward in the race of people. And if you're not doing anything in life to compete, if you're just doing for the sake of doing, you're going to get doomed. ये तुम्हारा पहला कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम है. अगर इसमें तुम अपना 100% नहीं दे रहे हो एंड तुमको लगता है कि बस ठीक है हो जाएगा, बोर्ड्स एग्जाम में मैटर नहीं करते, व्हेन द फक आर यू गोइंग टू गिव योर 100%? Like, trust me, if you cannot crack an exam this small, do you think you're going to achieve good things in life? There are exceptions to it. But trust me, if you cannot put something, the moment you learn to put your 100% on something you don't like, that's the moment you're going to unlock opportunities in life. That's what you call discipline in life. Whatever you're going to do, तो business करेगा, तो किसी जॉब में जाएगा, तो कुछ भी करेगा जीवन में. मेरे पापा का बिजनेस है, बट आई नेवर हैड दैट मेंटालिटी कि मेरे को पापा का बिजनेस करना है. भाई अगर मैं 10 साल तक 20 साल तक कुछ भी नहीं करूँ ना, माई डैड विल कंटिन्यू हिज बिजनेस. सेम विथ यू ऑल, जिसका मेंटालिटी होता है कि बिजनेस करेंगे पापा का, he is going to continue that. Yes, you can expand it, but if your dad has capital, go out, dude, study, explore new things. Don't just stay in that zone. Your dad got rich to make sure that you also get rich and you explore new things. He's making you study. Many of the times it's the case that they want you to study so that you can explore new opportunities. Capital तो उनके पास है, तो लगाएगा कहाँ उसको when you have no knowledge, when you don't know your potential? What are you going to do? You're going to have no confidence. The very easy thing that you can do right now is get that confidence. 10th May, if you're able to beat a lot of people, you get that confidence, dude. I'll be very honest, तुमको वो confidence मिलता है. You feel superior, and that feeling of superiority is so good. It's so good. It's kind of evil, but it's good. You would love to be at the top of Apex. You would want to be the top 1% in everything you want to do. As a teenager, expand on every front that you can. If you don't feel like doing it, still do it. I had a fear of public speaking, but then when I came to Siliguri, I was like crazy, bhai meko karna hai to karna hai. I came to Siliguri in front of hundreds of people. I have given speeches. Again, in an MUN, I have won awards. Alright, I have done one MUN. I've won in that, most promising. I've done one Shark Tank. I have won in that. I played kabaddi. I won intra-school in that. And तुम बात सुनो, superior feel करना is not bad. Be super narcissistic of yourself in a positive manner so that you are able to push yourself. If your standards of life, you compare yourself, you want to be a commoner, you want to be like everybody else just to fit in, you're not going to go anywhere in life. Do every fucking thing that you can as a teenager to get credibility, to make sure that you are an confident adult. Alright? तेरा स्कोर उतना मैटर नहीं करेगा. बट अगर तू ये स्कोर कर लिया ना, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ हाउ मच यू वांट not to study, you are going to get that confidence that yes, I can do things when I don't feel like doing. That is the whole purpose you should study. Okay, पहला competitive exam है, जान लगा दे, study dude. I want you to study not because I want you to be a bookworm. I want you to study so that you are ahead in life. Academics is a part. देख मेरे को भी लगता था academics did not matter a lot. But then अभी 12th में हूँ, then there's college and then there's a master degree. You can do everything you want to do between all of this. You can drop out if you have a good plan. But you cannot just let go of education, dude. Education is very necessary. Go look at the stats. Go look at the top 10 richest people. 90, 80, 90% are the most educated people who have dropped out with shit ton of idea and a grit that you and I would want to match in future. Get that education is not bad. It's just that whenever you want to do something new, don't just shit away education. Let the education stay. Drop out कर लो तुम if you have that idea. But then अगर तुम education को आगे से ही बुरा मान रहे हो, it's a problem, dude. It's a problem. It's being fed into our system so badly. This generation has fed it into our system so badly that we feel education is worthless. Yes, it is. If you're in the top 10%, if you're in the top 50%, but once you get to that top 1%, 0.10%, you get onto the top, and that's when education starts mattering. See, and इंडिया में जितनी पॉपुलेशन है, अगर तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, तुम बेस्ट नहीं हो, तुमको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला इंडिया में. मैं जनरल कैटेगरी का हूँ. मैं अगर कुछ भी करने जाऊँ, मेरे को कोई अच्छा कॉलेज भी चाहिए. इफ आई एम नॉट बेस्ट इन द फील्ड, then fuck it, bhai. I'm not going to get opportunities. And you cannot cry about it. You just have to do it. Right? So get your shit together. Start studying not because you just want to be a bookworm. Study because you want to be at the top of apex. You want to feel good. You want to be a confident individual. That's why you study. अगर तुम कुछ और करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बस पढ़ाई नहीं करना है तुमको. बट whenever you're doing anything in life, do it with your 100%. If you cannot do it with your 100%, what's the point of even doing it? Right? So yes, next time you sit to study, next time तुम कोई event कर रहे हो, जाओ भाई फोड़ो event में, 100% दो अपना. It's just that my point of this video is give your 100% in whatever you do and try to explore as much as you can. As a teenager, don't suffocate yourself in something right now. Explore your options, get to things. You will hit one thing and that will take you far in life. Okay, but still don't stop searching for answers right now. Don't start questioning what's the meaning of life right now. It's not your time. Your time is to compete, get ahead in all of the places. The meaning of life will come with all of that. And जो भी मैट्रिक्स वगैरह की बात बोलता है ना, बड़ी ट्रस्ट मी, they are on the top of the matrix and that's where you can comment about it. ठीक है, तो get your shit together, do something good in life, then have the habit of commenting or criticizing things. उसके पहले खुद को तुम शेर सोनार समझ रहे हो कि तुम जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ उखाड़ लियो और तुमको कुछ करना ही नहीं है, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स बेकार है, ये बेकार है, वो बेकार है, तो बेकार रख. देयर विल बी 1,000 people who will come, who will snatch it from you and they will take away all the opportunities and you will just sit there criticizing things. That is the problem with most of the India. Don't be like a common person. Be extraordinary in whatever you're going to do in life. Okay, that was the point. So right now, अगर कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए थोड़ा पढ़ना चालू करो. गेट योर गोल्स हाई. तो हम पोटेंशियल टेस्ट करो भाई. अभी तुम्हारे पोटेंशियल टेस्ट करने की उम्र है, मेरी भी पोटेंशियल टेस्ट करने की उम्र है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी फॉर माई बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. यस, मैं और भी साइड में बहुत कुछ किया था. मैं 11 में बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ किया था यार. बट I came back to 12th. I want to focus on my 12th. And मेरे को बहुत स्टार्टअप कल्चर का है. I want to get into startups. I want to do startups. मैंने अच्छे जो लोग स्टार्टअप्स कर रहे हैं उनसे बात की. They are like get into a college जहाँ तुमको ये सब नेटवर्क्स मिले. It's all because of it, dude. Study because you want to ace in life. You want to get to rooms where you find like-minded people. So, dude, अभी से पढ़ना चालू करो. And I'll tell you a simple trick. एक नोटबुक लो, एक पेन लो, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 7 days वी आर गोइंग टू डू अ चैलेंज. ऑल राइट, I'm also going to be a bit active on my page, not that much, but I'll still try 3 दिन बाद I put an update video, and I'll try to create a WhatsApp community जिसमें you all can join. I'll put a poll every day on how many hours did you study. Track your record from there. Feel how much have you studied and feel that satisfaction when you're studying. All right, do it for the satisfaction, do it for your sake. That's fine. सो फॉर द नेक्स्ट 7 days एक डायरी लो, एक पेन लो, 7 days प्लान करो, ठीक है, कि तुमको इतना सिलेबस कंप्लीट करना है 7 days के अंदर अंदर. एक डेडलाइन सेट करो. मैं यूज़ करता हूँ एक ब्लैक बोर्ड और एक मार्कर टू ट्रैक माई एवरी डे, और 7 दिन के लिए मेरे पास एक डायरी है, मैं उसमें लिख लेता हूँ मेरे को क्या करना है. दैट्स ऑल. ये 7 दिन कंसिस्टेंट रहो. लेट्स गेट इन टू दैट जोन अगेन. All right, class 12th वाले and 10th वाले, let's start in that zone. Let's start seeing your potential. All right, I'm going to create a WhatsApp community. उसमें you're going to get polls कि तुमने कितने घंटे पढ़ा. Be honest, track your records there. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you found it good. If you have any comments, anything that you want to know, anything, comment down below and I'll try to respond to it. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.